how to replace the A-pillars in your 2007 to 2014 Escalade, Tahoe, Yukon, Suburban, and similar GM trucks. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. So to remove the A-pillar, you need to pry off this plastic cover. This comes right out. And in here is a 7mm bolt. Take your socket and ratchet and remove the 7mm bolt. Here's that bolt. Once you have the bolt out, you can pull the pillar out just like that. And now I'm going to lift it up out of these grooves that it's in down here. Lift it up and it comes out from these slots. So the last thing we need to do is disconnect the speaker. Disconnect the speaker by pushing in on the tab. Just like that. And now the pillar can be removed from the driver's side. To remove the pillar from the passenger side, we need to remove the cover so we can get to the bolts on the handle. So just gently pry it off. Like that. There's two 10mm bolts that need to be removed. Use your 10mm socket and ratchet to remove the two bolts. It's one bolt. Here's the second bolt. So with the two bolts out, it's the same process as the driver's side. We're just going to pull it away. Once you pull it away, you're going to want to lift it up out of the dash. Like that. Once it's out, just disconnect the speaker. Once the speaker's disconnected, the A-pillar comes out of the way. The installation process is just the reversal of removal. You'll attach the speaker connectors, install the A-pillars, tighten the bolts, and install the covers. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.